There's the moment a Sarasota police officer crashed into an 8-year-old boy riding a dirt bike. It's tough to watch. We do want to warn you here. The body cam and dash cam videos are graphic, so we are choosing to only show parts of it. This happened on 23rd Street and Maple Avenue on Monday. Sarasota police say the officer was leaving the scene of an unrelated call for service. You can see the officer pulling onto the main road in the neighborhood. In another video, you can see 8-year-old Gerard Butler drive past a parked cruiser. Moments later, police say the boy then entered the intersection on his dirt bike in front of the officer's patrol car.
2-36 dispatch. 2-36. Start me EMS.
You can see the officer call for an ambulance and start to render aid to the boy as concerned neighbors and family members rush over. Right now, Gerard is in the hospital. We spoke to his mother earlier today, who says he's already undergone 2 brain surgeries as well as surgery to his knees. Today, he was scheduled for more surgery to his jaw. She says her son was attempting to return home after being scared by police activity in the neighborhood.
Trying to, be the supporting mom. And, I talk to him, even though his eyes are closed. I talk to him every day in his ear and let him know Mama's here. Today, he coughed. He coughed 2 times. That's something to the doctors and to us. That's a good sign.
Gerard's mother tells us he had just received the dirt bike for his birthday days before the crash. Tonight, it is not clear how fast that officer was driving. He is on restrictive administrative duty as Sarasota Police Department's traffic unit and Florida Highway Patrol investigate the crash.